In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to put music on Twitch on Xbox One. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. If you use the Twitch app to stream through your Xbox One, you might want to use some music as background noise by using apps like Spotify on the same Xbox One. However, what you may notice is that on the Twitch app, there is no option to go live with music or start a broadcast and use other songs on the background of your Xbox One. Is it possible to stream with music? Well, according to this reply on the official Microsoft Answers forum from this independent advisor, it is currently not possible to stream with music directly to your console. What you have to do, another option is to use a capture card and stream the console from your PC, where you can have a music streaming service play on the background. Sadly, as of to date, playing music through your Xbox One and streaming at the same time is not possible because of copyright laws. Your only alternative, and the one I recommend, is, like I said, to stream through your computer using a capture card in order to have access to music at the same time. I hope I was able to help you on how to put music on Twitch on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.